Hello everyone, this is Sharmin Khan from Milkyway Art Design. So today I am practicing on creating flowers, and I am using a 6" by 6" tile, and as you can see, I did not do anything to my tile. I just started pouring on paint on the tile directly. I usually resin my pieces, and once I resin it, it's pretty much permanent, so I'm not really worried about, like, some of I know that some people use sandpaper or something to make the surface little rough, but I don't do anything. I just start painting on the tile. So for the base coat, I have mixed tiny bit of GAC 800 and tiny bit of Floetrol with my Walmart house paint, interior house paint, and I spread it evenly. So for the first color, I'm using TLP's Shangria, which is a pigment mixed with some Liquitex Basics ink, which is quinacridone magenta. So that's what my first color is. The second color that I am using, it's a mixture of, again, Shangria from TLP, and I mixed what's that name? I think I used burgundy with this one from Josonia's. So I mixed Josonia's burgundy and Shangria mixed together, and I got that color. The third color that I'm using, it's my new favorite, which is called Groovy from TLP, and I have mixed a tiny bit of quinacridone magenta from Professional Series Liquitex Basics. And the fourth color that I'm putting on right now, it's the mixture of pomegranate and dioxazine purple. So pomegranate is basically primary elements pigment, and dioxazine purple is Liquitex Basics regular acrylic paint. Now I am putting on my gold. That's what I usually do because with the black and the gold, my black is the cell activator, which I'm going to pour at the end, and when I put it on top of the gold, it creates such a rich look, and I really love that look. The green that I am using, it's a mixture of candy apple from Art Minds, which is very light green, and I mixed some pigment which is from Primary Element, which is called Olive Vine. So these two colors mixed together, I got this color, this beautiful green color. I know that I use this green a lot, but not lately, it actually always happens. I'm getting annoyed by the Primary Elements green because it tends to bleed a lot. So a lot of the times what happens is I go back and I basically manually paint my negative space to get rid of the greens. So we'll see how it goes on this particular one. So now's the time I am putting on the cell activator, and it'll be the time to blow. At this point, I'm making sure that all my corners and sides of the tile are professionally covered. There's no unevenness or empty spot that I have to cover it up. Wow, look at that. Oh my gosh, I can spend my whole night staring at this thing. It's so pretty. I cannot explain how pretty it is. It's like to die for. I think this would be one of my all-time favorite. It's that pretty with the magenta, with the bright fluorescent pink, with the purples. It's to die for. And the cells and the lacings that I'm getting together, they are also phenomenal. I wanted to take this moment to thank each and every one of you for taking this journey with me and watching my videos, subscribing to my channel, basically supporting me. And again, from the bottom of my heart, thank you very much to all of you.